It's easier to pretend. To keep our heads down. Stay grounded. Bury its call beneath routine. But it's always there. The faint current tugging at us. And every now and then, the signal rebels, tears free, and finds us. Hits us with the weight of the stars. Reminds us what we've always known. The future isn't forward. It's up. Gravity. We've been battling it since the beginning. It knocks us down. But every time, we rise. We crawl. We walk. We climb. We fly. From paper planes to pioneers, we defy the weight of the world. Turn boundaries into brilliance. As gravity presses us, we press back with purpose. Harder. Stronger. Higher. We weren't made to stay put. We were made to soar. Gravity may be given, but that doesn't mean we have to take it.
Hey, I told you guys it was coming out. So this is Anti-Gravity. This is the division of Insta360. And they officially launched the brand. And this division is going to be focused on drones as far as I'm told. Cool. Hey, did you guys notice on that video at the beginning here, when they showed that 3D tiny planet photo, one of the structure was actually the CN Tower, which is from Toronto, 2 hours from here. Yeah, I'm looking at the picture. There's some pretty popular towers in that tiny planet video. 360 drone, this is awesome, awesome, awesome. I've been kind of thinking, why did they do this? Because they had the Insta360 made the sphere, which was an attachment you can attach to a drone, and it just kind of disappeared. It didn't do very well. I don't know why. Maybe because they couldn't get it right with attaching and getting that 360 stitch. But I'm hoping they figured it out, because this is not an attachment on top of a drone anymore. This is now part of the drone. So I'm hoping that the stitching is going to be perfect. And I doubt Insta360 would release something that's subpar, especially in 360 when they're the grandfathers of 360. And I think they're going to do well. And I'm hoping to see some really cool stuff coming out of here. The company's been doing 360 for a long time, so I have confidence they're going to build a really cool drone. An AI drone like the Hover Air, the Neo coming out. I think that's going to be a 360 branded drone. I'm not sure if that's going to be an anti-gravity. Who knows? We may see it as an anti-gravity launched drone. But yeah, I'm looking forward to getting one in my hands and playing with it. I can't wait. You guys know I'm a drone guy and I'm an AI drone freak, but this is so cool. Love to see innovation. Love to see companies come up with new stuff. This is what brings us back to and become loyal to companies, is they keep innovating us with new stuff and stuff that's just phenomenal. Anti-gravity. Awesome. I can't wait to see the stuff they come out with. It's going to be exciting. It's going to be a great year, I think. But have a great one, guys, and we'll talk to you soon. See you on the flip side. Ciao.